Oh, here he goes. Aww. Yo.
Yes. Look what I think he did that to me.
Probably.
You sharp little cat.
Oh, Nick loves the kitty. Where are you going?
I'm flabbergasted. I think we found a star, and a star has been in the making for an entire lifetime. I am just humbled. I'm just humbled. It's the most humbling night of my life right now.
Apparently left something down there. He's eating something.
And I can't right now.
What'd you spill?
What's in your mouth right now? What is in your mouth? What did you just eat? What did you just eat?
Some pizza on your shirt.
Like.
One of those acts that he's going to be people's guilty pleasure.
You're watching America's Got Talent.
What, dude? That is advertising.
Sponsor! I missed my face. Oh.
He just did that to me.
Hi, Oreo. Hi.
What are you going to look
What are they doing?
Whoa!
Never listen to that comedian too much.
They're still eating down there.
There's nothing down there to eat. Let me check.
Better check.
There's nothing. See, nothing. It's all gone. You eat it.
Why don't you tell me what I want?
Hi. Hi.
Not camera shy.
It's a good show, Grim.
More advertising.
Alright. America's Got Talent.
I know you want some of this sugary goodness, but you can't have none. Mine. It's mine.
That's what you think.
It's mine. Oh, tail to the ear.
It used to be sort of two, and then I took a tail to the ear.
Coming up shortly. What are you doing? You're dancing. I'm dancing. You get a lot of dancers on the show. What makes you $1 million act? Because I'm going to bring that raw energy.
My soda. My soda.
He's like, ah.
So my parents, they were drug addicts, into games and all of that. My grandmother asked
soda.
my mother, you going to choose the streets or you
I think he just wants the bottle.
My
My
soda.
mother pushed me out of where like, over drugs. So I was raised by my grandmother. I was a judge's wife. I really was a judge's wife. That was a tough time for me.
Don't say bye to the viewers.
I can just show
Can you
all
say
my
peace to
blood.
your face?
Just envy. It's what I live. Pretty much what I do.
Well, peace to your face and the cat's face.
Bye.